Okay, that's wide open at 15 psi. The engine just warmed up. Slow it down a little bit. That's 15 psi of steam. It's pretty wet. So I'm using up steam about as fast as I make it. Still at 15 psi. The bronze prop, it's solid bronze, and it's 5-inch diameter. It's mainly for show, but I imagine it might do something more. The cranks are at 90 degrees. It's a non-condensing engine. It's semi-self-starting. Once it gets hot, I can reverse the crank pedal. There we are. Boiler took 35 psi now. There's some other engines. Size comparison may be higher.